Hi, I am Janessa Merritt, a nurse practitioner and director of student health services at Wright State Physicians. I am here to share with you the benefits of choosing care with us, services provided at the health center, information regarding mandatory health requirements, and information about the university-sponsored health insurance plan. The services provided at Student Health are comparable to those offered at a traditional family practice setting. Our care team consists of physicians, advanced practice providers, both nurse practitioners and physician assistants, nurses, and certified medical assistants, all of which are licensed in their respective fields to provide quality medical care. Seeking care at Student Health has numerous benefits. In addition to in-office appointments, we also offer same-day telehealth visits. This will allow students to connect with members of our medical team using a cell phone, laptop computer, or smart device for appointments. As we are located approximately 1 mile off campus, the university does provide free shuttle services to the health center. For our students who drive or have their own transportation, free parking is available and located directly in front of the health center. Other benefits include easy access to CompuNet Clinical Laboratories for blood work and Athletico Physical Therapy Suite, which are located on the first floor of the Wright State Physicians Building. We also offer additional medical specialties located in the health center, such as OBGYN, dermatology, general surgery, and sports medicine. At the health center, we accept most major medical plans, including the university-sponsored United Healthcare Student Resource Plan. In addition, we are open for care during university closures. This includes spring, winter, and summer breaks, snow days, and most major holidays. Services provided at the health center include, but are not limited to, treatment of minor acute illnesses and injuries, chronic disease management, physical exams, female exams and pap smears, suture removal, birth control, labs, STD testing, prescription refills, vaccinations and TB testing, referrals, allergy injections, point-of-care testing such as strep, flu, mono, urinary tract infection, and glucose testing. In addition, we also offer COVID-19 testing. Before you begin your journey at Wright State, there are a few medical requirements you need to complete. All international students are required to submit a medical history form and provide proof of vaccinations and screening for tuberculosis prior to the start of classes. Required vaccinations include Tdap, tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis vaccination. This vaccine must have been received in the last 10 years, and the MMR, mumps, measles, rubella vaccination. This vaccination requires a 2-dose series administered at least 30 days apart. Acceptable documentation for tuberculosis screening includes a negative tuberculosis skin test within the past 12 months, documentation of a negative quantiferon report, better known as the T-spot blood test, a negative chest x-ray report in the last 12 months, or 9 months of INH antibiotic therapy. Failure to comply with this health requirement will result in a university hold, which may prevent you from registering for future classes, adding or dropping classes, or obtaining transcripts. Student Health Services is available to provide these vaccinations and TB screening if needed. Please note that the TB screening is required annually while you are a student at Wright State University. Medical history forms can be found on the UCIE website. Please note these forms must be returned prior to the first day of classes. Wright State offers a university-sponsored health insurance plan. As international students at Wright State, you will automatically be enrolled in this plan upon registration unless you already have U.S.-based health insurance coverage through the employer of a spouse or parent. It is important to note that with this health insurance plan, a referral from Student Health Services is required prior to seeking care at another health facility, unless care is rendered outside of normal operational hours or in cases of an emergency. Failure to do so may result in referral fees imposed by the health insurance plan. For more information regarding plan coverage and benefits, eligibility, rates, or other health insurance related questions, you can visit the UHCSR website or contact one of Wright State University student health insurance specialists at 937-775-2331. We know it can be challenging when deciding when and where to seek care. This guide may be helpful in determining which level of care to choose. As a general rule, all care should start with a visit to the Student Health Center, unless it is a medical emergency. Urgent care and retail clinics should be used when care is needed outside normal operational hours and your condition can't wait until the next business day. Keep in mind that when choosing care at urgent care, retail clinics, or the emergency room, additional fees may be incurred. Knowing when and where to seek care can save you time and money in the long run. Just a few last-minute reminders of things to bring to campus with you this semester. As you will learn, Ohio weather may be variable. It is advisable to bring winter jacket, boots, athletic shoes, hats, gloves, scarves, and umbrella. You may also want to stock up on essential care items such as sunscreen, skin moisturizers, and insect repellent. You may also want to bring cold cough medications, fever reducers, hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, face masks, and a thermometer. We invite you to visit our website for more information regarding student health services at Wright State Physicians. There you will find more information regarding health education, medical resources, and a listing of local healthcare facilities outside our hours of operation. If you have a specific question, you may also contact a member of our leadership team. On behalf of Wright State University and Student Health Services at Wright State Physicians, welcome to Wright State University. We look forward to meeting your healthcare needs for years to come.